happy that we see the end now. There is light at the end of the freaking tunnel. Hello, welcome back to When Life Gives You Clemens. Sorry it's a little bumpy. I don't have anything to hold up this phone right now. I forgot we were in baby's car and not mine today, so just bear with us. Welcome to When Life Gives You Clemens, where I tell you everything about what life has given me since I've got my Clemens. Right now we are going through the home building journey, and we are taking y'all along the ride. Some of our videos are informational, such as this one that you're watching right now. So if you care to know about pre-drywall meetings, a little bit about pre-drywall inspections, questions to ask, things to go over. Sorry, hopefully the air conditioning's not too loud. Keep watching if you care about those type of things, or if you're just following our journey. Thank you for watching. As always, please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to be notified whenever we post a video, because sometimes it takes us more than a week or two, make sure to hit that notification bell. Now that mouthful is over with, today we are going to our pre-drywall meeting. Last time we seen our builder was the red line meeting, and it went super well, so we're actually so excited about this one. You excited, babe? I'm excited to see the builder. I don't want to disclose his name for privacy purposes, but he's a cool dude, like Kyle said. So we have our list of things to ask him. As always, we've reviewed everything. We would say that that's something that y'all should do if you are getting ready to go to a pre-drywall meeting. If you don't know what that is, or you are not in the building process and you're just completely clueless, pre-drywall meeting is exactly what it sounds like. Right now, our framing, our electrical, our plumbing, everything is complete. And so now we're just waiting on those walls to go up, that sheetrock to go up. And they make sure that everything is just the way you like it before they put that up. We have some mistakes that were made in the house, and we're assuming they're going to make those corrections and then put up the drywall. So I'm guessing about 2 weeks before that drywall goes up.
Okay.
I think so, only because anytime we ask for mistakes to be corrected, for the most part, they have been corrected pretty quickly. So I'm saying 2 weeks. Normally I'm the pessimistic one, so the fact that he just said maybe is weird. I think that's really it that I can think of. Oh, make sure to comment below in this video. So there's the main thing that we're trying to take away from this meeting today is the timing of when the house will be done. We are supposed to, he told us that at Redline he would tell us or give us a better estimate of when we could close on the home. So we have all placed bets, we being Kyle and I, our parents, our friends. I've been kind of asking around, my lips are so chapped. I've been kind of asking around, when do you all think the house will be done? So do not fast forward to the end of this video before commenting below, because I'm going to tell you what he's guesstimating at the end of this video on the recap. I'm really bad with like intros and closing out videos, but today I promise we will close out this video. So if you want to watch that, keep watching.
Hey y'all, so in this part of the video, you'll just see us walking through with the builder. We thought we were coming in here with questions. Well, we did end up asking some questions, but for the most part, he just walked us through where everything was going to be, the spacing of everything. Like here, he's pointing out the countertops, the sink, where the refrigerator will be. We asked questions here about the size of the refrigerator, just for purchasing purposes. But for the most part, he was just showing us where everything was going to be. So enjoy these tunes as you get to see us walk through our house with the builder, and I'll hop in whenever I feel it's necessary.
You'll have 3 extra lights in here, minus the one that go to sink. So you'll have one here, and
So we're
that's
meeting
one of the fixes.
the 2 that were supposed to be had rerouted to have 2 here right above the light.
Rerouted, or did we pay for pin light?
No, we didn't pay for pin lights. We just wanted whatever the standard was, just to be the 2 recessed lights or whatever it is right above the light.
And you want to bring these 2
In.
into here.
Yes.
Which means if you're cooking, you're gonna have really light.
That one's gonna be.
I mean, you do have a vent hood that has a light on it.
So
Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm an alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alpha, baby. Yeah, alpha, baby.
We'll replace it.
okay, so it was actually supposed to come out another foot. Will you also add?
I have it.
17 by. Which one are we
Remember I gave you, I took that off.
You gave us
Right.
that, and this
We're
way
saying going, yeah.
it's supposed to go.
And I guess, what does it have on there? We have 9, supposed to be like 9
Well, I'm
feet.
just talking about the chamber. You're working on this.
I'll have to take my ruler and measure it, my scale, sorry, and see how far it is. Right? If it's totally wrong, that's what we're doing. Get it all out. Take it.
Oh, the windows that are shattered.
That's it, how it is.
He is.
Now, once I get the house brick, is when I would go around and replace all the glasses.
Okay, sounds
They're
good.
known to break in glass. Like when they're breaking and brick might hit. So I wait till they're done and then hit it all over.
Okay.
But sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah.
What's the reason why we have those like kind of gray?
They're called baffles. We have perforated soffit out there, which has holes in it. Lets fresh air into your attic.
Is that for also energy purposes?
Gotcha. We do everything energy. That's why you have the radiant barrier up
No
there.
joke.
So
Okay.
try to keep it tight as can be.
Okay.
Alright. Of course, we're missing a shower head. Shower head is supposed to be right here.
Yes.
Now, to that point, when it comes to a shower head, does it have its own line? Is it split from the same? How does that exactly work with the second shower head?
It should have its own line.
Gotcha.
Okay.
So it won't be like weak taking from.
It shouldn't be.
Okay.
Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Your heart.
There's no plug there, but there will be a plug there.
Okay.
So it'll be a wine opening cabinet, a little bitty cabinet to the left of that.
Okay.
So your refrigerator slot will be here on the right.
Okay.
Okay. Top, no backsplash,
No backsplash.
and a cabinet up here with glass doors.
Yep. Yes, we have glass panes on our butler's pantry.
Yeah, so there's your butler pantry. There's your refrigerator opening. You'll have a cabinet here. Yes,
Perfect.
so you got
So as y'all can see, we got a lot of the things that we discussed being wrong corrected or confirmed that they would be corrected by the builder. So that was absolutely great for us. We were super happy about even the things that he said he was changing and not charging us for. So we are happy, to say the least. There wasn't a lot of tips. We did question some things about which brackets, how the studs should be, which studs were too strong or weren't strong enough, I should say, or had cracks in them. We questioned all that stuff, and he confirmed that everything was going to be taken care of. So not much inspecting, just really going over our layout and confirming everything.
All right, we're back with snacks. We had to stop and get us some food after that. It went amazing. It did go really well. Oh, betting on the date. So my bet was placed on March, the last week in March. Today is October 31st, by the way. Kyle's bet was like the first week in March to be done. His parents also said, Kyle's parents also say the first week in March. They think it would be done. I'm trying to think. All my friends like think February, but they don't know. They don't really know like all that goes into it. So drum roll please of when the builder told us that it would be done. He gave the drum roll already. 10 to 12 weeks, which is more like February.
Right.
So really good, really excited. Sorry it's a little shaky because I don't have anything to hold this up again. That meeting went super well, y'all.
About an hour.
About an hour. I recorded, so y'all seen it all. You should have seen that he said 10 to 12 weeks in there. Said give or take delays, but he already gave the cushion for the delays. So he said generally at this point he tells people 8 to 10 weeks, but he told us 10 to 12. So that still puts us in February, and we're happy about that date. Like, by this point in the game, we had programmed our heads for March. So it feels good to be told a little bit before that date. Our brick should be done by the end of next week. And then in 2 weeks, he said drywall, sheetrock will start going up, and it will take 1 to 2 weeks for that to be completed. So y'all get to go along the ride and see all of that. Any mistake that was made, he acknowledged it and promised us it would all be fixed.
Right. The one kind of worried about what he said it was going to be fixed with the cabinets. One of our sales counselors. What's her sales?
Pull out drawers that we were requesting. So at the end of the day, it's been fixed.
Right.
We were taken care of. That back patio porch that y'all seen in the previous videos, the concrete measurement is wrong. So they're gonna have to pull it all the way out and redo it because just adding on concrete, the color wouldn't be correct. Which I don't care, just fix it, honestly. So we do have a couple perks that I'm very, very excited about. That shower head, he said he's mentioned it to the people like millions of times and they just haven't fixed it, but he said it'll get fixed. Never mentioned to y'all our shower niches that we paid extra for because we forgot about them. But he said that, hey, here's your shower niche. And we're like, oh, okay. And then they also missed one of our shower niches and we were able to decide where that one would go. So that was all cool. He figured out some stuff in the media room for Kyle that we didn't even think about or know about or care about really, but he said it's for the better. So he said, you gotta do whatever you want. Right? All in all, I say
Another good meeting with our builder.
another good meeting. 10 out of 10. Yeah?
Every stage came with someone like him.
Yeah. The process would be so much better. I'm happy. light at the end of the freaking tunnel. And soon y'all be able to see what this good old house is about to look like, because we about to give you all the house to home content. We about to give you all the feels, and you're gonna want to book us because the Vibe Curations is coming to life. I'm happy that we see the end now. There is light at the end of the freaking tunnel, and soon y'all be able to see what this good old house is about to look like, because we about to give you all the house to home content. We about to give you all the feels, and you're gonna want to book us because the Vibe Curations is coming to life. That's all we got for today's video. I promise y'all that I would close this one out. So thank you so much for watching. If you want to see the next video, who knows what it will be about at this point, but make sure to like and subscribe to this one. Hit that notification bell so that you're notified, and don't judge me on my chap lips, because